Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to add Trustpilot reviews to your Wix website. This is a powerful way to build trust with visitors by showcasing authentic customer feedback directly on your site. And if you want to get started on Wix, you can click on the link in the description down below. Let's get started. First, head over to the Wix website and log into your Wix account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your Wix dashboard from here. Look at the left navigation menu and click on Site and Mobile App. This will take you to an overview of your website settings. On this page, take a moment to preview the website settings you have. You'll want to make sure that this is the correct website where you want to add your Trustpilot reviews. This step is important because if you manage multiple sites, you don't want to accidentally edit the wrong one. Next, locate the Edit Site button on the top part of your screen. It's typically positioned beside a pen icon, making it easy to spot. Go ahead and click on it. You'll now be directed to the Wix website editor screen. This is where all the magic happens when it comes to customizing your site. From here, we'll start by locating the Add Elements button on the left navigation menu. Click on it to open up your options. The Add Elements menu will expand, presenting you with a list of all the elements you can use to customize your website. From this menu, locate the Embed Code element and click on it. You'll see an option labeled Embed HTML. Click on the plus button next to it, and it will be added directly onto your website canvas. This element is crucial because it allows you to insert custom code, which is exactly what we need for integrating Trustpilot reviews. Once the Embed HTML element is added to your canvas, it's time to grab the code we need. Open a new browser tab and head to elfsite.com. From the home page, locate the Widgets button on the top left part of the screen. Before proceeding, make sure you are logged into your Elfsite account. A widget catalog will appear. From here, locate the search bar and type in Trustpilot. Click on the search result that appears. From the results, click on All-in-One Reviews. You'll be directed to the All-in-One Reviews widget overview page. From here, click on Create Widget for free. You will now be presented with sample templates to showcase your Trustpilot reviews. Browse through the options and select one that matches your website's style. Once you've made your choice, click on Continue with this template. On the next screen, locate the Add a Review Manually button. Here, you can add in the Trustpilot review details, including the review icon, star rating, and reviewer name. Take your time to fill in the information accurately, then click Save. After saving, click on Add a Website for free. Now, close the widget editor and head back to your Elfsite dashboard. From your dashboard, locate the Google Reviews widget we just created. Click on the three-dot icon next to it. From the options that appear, click on Embed Code and copy the embed code provided. This code is what will link your Trustpilot reviews to your Wix site. Head back to your Wix editor and paste the embed code into the Embed HTML element you added earlier. Position it wherever you want the reviews to appear on your page and you're all set. Your Trustpilot reviews are now live on your Wix website, helping build credibility with your visitors. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.